السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. My guy. الحمد لله.
My God.
Captain, the lifeboats are ready to go. Should we load the women and children first?
No, men and children first.
Excuse me, sir. It's 2022, Private. A woman can handle a sinking ship just as well as a man can. And if you don't think so, you're a misogynistic asshole stuck in 2008. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, for the time being, I am requiring men and children only.
Are you kidding me?
It's 2022. This is what you wanted. You wanted to be treated equal to men? Well, this is how men are treated. Like
No, we don't. We just say that half the time. We don't actually believe in it.
Yeah, we do. Come on, we're just as capable as men are. Shut up! I identify as a man! 2022!
Jack, do you think I could open the door?
It's 2022, Rose. I wouldn't want to imply that you can't handle the ice cold water the same way a man could.
I think I'm dying, Jack.
I love 2022.
Not I love you, I love 2022.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
السلام عليكم.
Say وعليكم السلام on the comments. How do you guys accept this all study?
في القلب كلالة
Have you ever tried that?
في القلب كلالة.
Imagine sometimes what do you do? Like after you pray Salat Subh, the Fajr, hours before the exam, you go corner in the masjid, your books out there are like, Ya Allah, Ya Allah. Wallah, it's I don't know all Asians if you do, but in Somalia also we do this like you go to like you're a guest in a just to say let's say family house.
2 hours later.
كهرباء في حد هاي هذا حالي باي وكاسك عمها فرح نص مش فيلم. Guys, is he still in the room? And you know Asian do that. Like, okay, why you guys do this? Guys, finish the whole journal twice. The other guy is leaving. Come back, son. Come back, come back.
How many genders are there?
Man just landed. I don't know.
I just got here.
If aliens were asking this question, they probably would have given this answer.
How many genders are there?
He was with another woman and he thought this was his mom. I asked him why can't I sleep at night? I replied because you can't sleep in the afternoon. Don't act like you know you are in love. You know, you sleep in the afternoon and you try to sleep at night. No, brother, you can't. Even sleeping at afternoon is not good for your health, so don't sleep.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ो.
What is the name of our galaxy?
अपने गैलेक्सी का नाम क्या है?
Samsung Galaxy. I love this channel. Okay, dude. Galaxy S22. She killed him on the air, bro. Bro fell before falling. When your wife's left is more than you. I'm sorry, brother. Dad. His mother dead. Why? Two minutes of silence, please. Tell the whole story. It's 15 minutes. We're gonna end here. We have enough reels today. Save the eggs. Thank you very much, bro. And ruin the rest of the eggs. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and do whatever it is. But don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Peace.